Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is your English online lecture and today we are going to learn this punctuating sentences and speech marks. These both topics are very easy and you already have done in your previous classes. So before starting it, today date is Thursday 10th December 2020 and this is your classwork. First, punctuating sentences. Study the punctuation in the box. Here, the car was traveling very slowly. This is a statement. Remember one thing, that you always use this full stop, or you can say this period also, in the simple statement. When you are asking question, so you use this question mark. And slow down, exclamation. Now exclamation mark is this, where you use this when you exclaim anything, when you command, you give command, when you protest, or in easy words, when you show or express your feeling, where you can use this exclamation mark. So write these sentences with correct punctuation. Look out, there is a car ahead. So look out, this is expressing something, so you use exclamation mark here, a line, vertical line and a dot. Was the minibus traveling too fast? It's a question, so you will use question mark like this. The police were asked everyone what they had seen. So this is a statement, so full stop. Do you know what happened? It's a question mark. Now slow down, there is a child in the road. Slow down, you are giving command, so it's a exclamation mark and there is a full stop at the end. How serious was the damage? Question, it's a question mark. Luckily no one was injured, it's a statement. Be quiet, you are giving command, so it's an exclamation mark here. I can't hear what the driver is saying, so at the end there is full stop. So revise this topic, it's a very easy topic. Now come to the next one, speech mark. Where you use speech mark. Speech marks are two commas like this. Okay, where you use speech marks, we always use speech marks around the words which people said. Okay, around the words which people said. So punctuate these sentences with speech marks, commas and full stops. So I have already done, but I will explain you. I looked in my mirror, the driver said. Now the driver is saying which words? These one. I looked in my mirror. So means you have to put the speech marks here. But keep one thing in your mind, when you are punctuating these sentences, you always use a comma here to separate both statements. This is the statement that he is saying. Okay, so you have to put a comma between them to separate them, and there is a full stop at the end. The car was going slowly, said the minibus driver. So what did he say? The minibus driver said the car was going slowly, means you have to put the speech marks around the car and slowly, but before closing your commas, speech marks, you have to use this comma here. The minibus was going too fast, the driver told the police. So the driver told the minibus was going too fast, means you have to use two commas, speech marks here, but before closing it you have to put a comma here. This is same like this. This exercise sentence number 5 is a little bit different sentence. Little boy was playing near the road. Rida said he was not hurt. So this is different. How it is different? Because there in this sentence you will use speech marks two times. First, Rida is saying a little boy was playing near the road. So near the road, here you will put the comma and separate this one by putting this one comma. Rida said. After said, there is a full stop. He was not hurt. She again began to give her statement. So you will use again speech marks here. He was not hurt. But we will not use comma here because it's the end of the sentence. So we will use a full stop before these two commas. I didn't see anything, said the vendor. I was too busy. Again, same like this. I didn't. You will put the speech marks around these words, then a comma. Said the vendor. But again, vendor is saying something. So I was too busy. So put again two commas. Speech marks here with a full stop. This sentence is also same like this. So you have to do this page. This is your classwork and you have to revise it. That is your homework, but your classwork is not finished yet. We have to do one workbook page here also, and it is same, having same topic, page number 16, and the same topic is punctuation. Again, same exercise that we did recently in the textbook. You have to punctuate these sentences. In all the sentences there is something missing. In some, full stop, question mark, full stop, speech marks, comma, exclamation mark, and this comma. In all the sentences something is missing. You have to write, put the correct speech punctuation mark in these sentences. What are you doing? It's a question, simple. You will use question mark. Asked the policeman. Look out, shouted my friends. Look out, this is exclamation mark. I was just crossing the road, I told the policeman. And what is missing? This comma is missing. So you have to put this comma. I did not look, I said. So which thing is missing? The starting punctuation marks. Speech marks are missing. Don't do it again, said the policeman. Which thing is missing? Upper side comma in the don't. My friends said you nearly had an accident. So which thing is missing? These commas, punctuation marks. Sorry, I am saying again and again commas. Why are you late? Question mark. My mother asked me. So this is full stop. Same exercise number 2, like we did in the textbook. Write the conversation as direct speech. So this is conversation between these people. You have to write them with the speech marks. So the first one, I have written all the answers in your notes. You can see, you can take help from the notes as well. Look at these. So number 1 is already done. We will write number 2. Number 2, who broke the window? Asked the teacher. She is asking. Okay. The second, she is saying I don't know. So we will write with speech marks, I don't know, closing. Okay, closing. And who is saying? Replied Saima. The name of this girl is Saima. So third sentence number 3. What we will write in the sentence number 3? We will write Is this your ball? Again teacher is asking, is this your ball? Is this your ball? She is asking means it's a question. Speech mark closed. So you will write asked teacher. Now he is. The boy is answering and the name of this boy is Temur. He said no. Again speech marks. No, comma. It is not. I am writing its full form. Is not. It is not closing, comma, replied, answered Temur. Okay, for next two I have done, but you have to do them by your own. Go. And now who is asking? She teacher. She is giving the instruction that go and see the head teacher, ordered the teacher. Then Saima said, it's my fault, admitted Saima. So you have to do page number 16 also. So this is your classwork to do page 28 of textbook and do page 16 of your workbook, and the homework is to revise these two topics. Okay, now class is finished. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.